X, how was the experience, my guy?
Yeah, man. Today, my chance, we put our mouth. No,
That's okay.
Today we put
our mouth where
the money where our mouth is.
Yo, X, what up, my boy? Check, man, my dog. Kiketa reka nama ya kulubi right now, wabon. Come through Ntona with the family so we can chill and have fun, wabon. And then just do a little bit of a good episode nyana for our viewers. Come through, my boy.
Thank you for clicking on our video. Uyazi kasi Palate ihlala iphethe content eshisayo. In this episode, siphuma ku-weekend enkulu. Terence wathi ba nekhanda laka Peppa Pig. Ya ne, ayisihamba sidla shem. Phela, this is what nightmares are made of.
Are you having any negative thoughts? All I have are negative thoughts.
Heritage Day. Most of us associate the day with long weekends, vacations, and a lekker braai. Tina like us Palate, we decided to keep it grounded and simple. Well, some of you might say budget is better, but we are just following advice from the coolest kid in Africa.
Musa uyitshela igwinya li blind. Shaya igwinya ithi phansi ngestress. So lokuthi ngane ukudla.
So what does Heritage Day mean to you? The government says it's the day to celebrate the cultural wealth of our nation. Eyewitness News goes further back and says it is the day presumed to be Shaka Zulu's death in 1828. As for Mina, I'm spending the day with Shaka's great-great-great-great-great-grandson.
Shaka Zulu, Shaka Zulu.
Woza Shaka omncane. Getting there.
But I'm almost done. Why not?
Awuthi simiyeka akhokha umoya kancane aphuza amandla.
Terence has made things, has made the pots to happen, as it were.
Yep.
And yeah, he's got some spices that he used. What's in a big dog?
It's the Portugal spice. It consists with the barbecue, a little bit of cumin, and the paprika, just a bit though, not too much.
Yep.
And what do you
And
have?
then here, we're just gonna add some heat, just to make things interesting, you know what I mean?
Sure.
So yeah, we're just gonna add the temperature. And yeah, I mean, we've done a good job here because this has been boiling for like 3 hours.
100%.
So yeah, the meat is basically falling off the bone as we speak. So everything's so tender, it's so soft. I mean, it's just deliciousness at this point. And just to prove a point, I wish you guys would have been here, eh?
Go for it. Boss.
So
Let me have one as well. The tenderness is on point. 3 hours, sibekile, iboila, ithole spice yakhona, ithole salt yakhona, everything nje ihambe ready. For me, yeah, no ukudla kumnandi.
as you would know, we like testing our limits here at Palate. So we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors and check who is going to eat the eye of the pig.
The eye of the pig, my gents.
Daddy, where's the eye?
You're gonna eat the eye.
Yo.
All right,
So let's go.
Let's go.
Damn, so good me, guys. Asilboni silkipen seseshali tole.
All right, Terence is now going for the eye. Finally, I won something, guys. I won a challenge. He's the one who's gonna eat the eye. He's digging in there, looking for the eye. I see something. I see something. There we go.
It's hot.
It's quite hot because it's straight out of the pot. We made the pots happen. There we go.
Flavor into this thing.
All right, big dog. Are you ready for this?
Yeah, I guess, boy.
Let's go. Let's
So-
go. Let's go.
There
Let's.
you go. Not too bad. Very tender. Hey, try. I should go for another one. What do you think?
Kasi pala yung talayam. Saan ko? Ba't mo nagbawa kasi pala? Nay, papala. Iyami ya pega ya. Ya pego. Camera. Ya shoot me. Kutsi shandi. Nyama ya nkyo. Iko ya tasiyanti bush. Sa iskata sa siyeta mix. Sa sisha. Debas kata lapo so tennis ni bush. Kasi pala jam. Saan ko?
Enda. One man. Enda. Nigga.